Hello to all. Today I want to show you how we can develop program for Excel under VBA under C#. Sometimes we don't know VBA language and we know C# language. So for this we can use this process. At first we need create button. Inside Excel we create by this panel develop button, create button. After that we need create macros. Inside macros we need to write this code. All information will be under this video at GitHub. So this code you will have from GitHub. Here we can see path to exe file that was developed from Visual Studio. After that, we need to develop program. I make some example for you. Here is example. Here is example of program. This program can writing information inside cell. Here we can see. I put here. Here we can see information how this text go into first cell. Writing command, then build this command, build success. Then we need run this command. Of course, here we have information about we must attach to program by debug process from Visual Studio. I show you how it works. We just I delete this. Run command. This command console up1 exe is running. This program was writing on Visual Studio. Here we can see information about attach process for debug. Ctrl P, track window. How we can do this? We open Visual Studio, debug, attach to process, or Ctrl Alt P, attach, track window, select. Then we can see select this window, track, press attach, and right now this Visual Studio debugging for exe program. So now after that, here we can press enter. It starts working and stop. We have stop point here. 1, 2, 3, 4 stop point. Breakpoint. Program is not finished. It was stopped on this position. So we can step by step moving. When we're going here, information about hello Excel going to cell 1, 1. I just need to continue. Continue. As we can see, information going here. Continue. Continue. We get information that data written successfully. End of program. So this program was finished. It waiting for press of user. I do it only for debugging. As we can understand, this console CMD command line program can be showing only when we make development for program. For user, we can hide this CMD, and when we push button from VBA here, button 1, when we push this button, cell 1 is filled by this text. All this debug information will not needed. End of program. I press enter, and that's all. Program is finished. So as we can understand, this is how it's working. This is how it's working. So all this information will be at GitHub, step by step, what package you need. This program that we have, VBA, this program at C#, program at VBA, and you can copy and use this for your project. Now you can write in programs under C# for Excel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.